Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is Foodie Fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. In the day above and not under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on, we're gonna mukbang. Y'all, welcome back to another mukbang eating show. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos. Alright, so y'all, I'ma just burp, no talking in this one. This is the only talking y'all gonna hear. I'm just drink and burp. Okay? So let's get to it. And
it's a fly.
I'm gonna slap it. Okay? I'm gonna try this root beer again. Root beer yesterday, I really liked the bursts it gave, and plus Kyra bought two, so I gotta drink them. So here we go. Y'all know I don't really like the sugar content, and this daggone fly. We had the door open, and man, am I paying for it. Can you please go sit down, because you're making me talk right now.
It's not ASMR, you done did your thing already.
I see it.
Alright, man.
I see my eyes looking all around. I need to pause this video and kill this damn thing, but yeah, let's get started. That's it, and that's all for today. I'll see y'all tomorrow.